What's up guys? Nag-crave ba ka Korean street food? Na fried seaweed, boneless chicken, fried squid, ramen noodles, rice bowl. O diri na located sa Myeongdong IT Park. Tapos open na sila 24/7 to satisfy your cravings anytime of the day. Daghan kayo na sila diverse selection sa mga authentic Korean street food from corn dog to crispy dakot cheese sa ilang boneless chicken. Napon na sila rice bowl if ganang ka mag-rice. So, daghan na sila variety of skewers also. And nag-try ko sa wapa na ko na-try before ang fried squid o fried seaweed roll. Nasad sila yung mga kimbap, mga cheese, tuna. Daghan sila selections of Korean drinks o pouch drinks and Korean sweet treats, mga ice creams, and also the DIY ramen station. And if you need assistance, you can also ask help from their staff. Kung unsay pislitan sa machine, then naara sila chopsticks sa kilid, then mag-wait ra ka until ma-finish ang timer. Sa pouch drink, mag-addition ng 25 pesos para sa ilahang ice cups. So, self-service di ay ni, so kailangan ikay makuha and then transfer lang. So, maura to. Thank you and bye!